EAST TESTER ET3240 and a half-digit precision benchtop multimeter. The EAST TESTER ET3240 is a full-featured, precision automatic range digital multimeter ideal for lab work, electronics design, quality control, repairs, and educational environments. With its high-resolution, 4.5 digits, 24,000 counts, TFT color display, and broad range of measurement capabilities, it delivers both accuracy and versatility. High-voltage key features and capabilities. Display and resolution 3.5-inch TFT LCD screen, 320x480 resolution, with color display. 4.5 digits, 24,000 count display. Multiple display speeds. Slow, approximately equals 2 readings, sec. Medium, approximately equals 5 readings, sec. And fast, approximately equals 7 readings, sec. Measurement ranges. Parameter range. DC voltage, DCV, 10 microvolts to 1000 volts. AC voltage, ACV, 10 microvolts to 750 volts. DC current, DCI, 10 nanoamperes approximately 10 A. AC current, ACI, 10 nanoamperes approximately 10 A. Resistance approximately 10 milliohms to 200 megaohms. Capacitance approximately 1 picofarad to 10 millifarads. Frequency, period approximately 1 Hz to approximately 20 MHz. Additional functions and features True-RMS measurement on AC signals, for better accuracy on real-world AC waveforms. Square wave output function, for testing or calibration. EAST-TESTER-CN.com. Multiple math functions. Rel, relative mode, max, min, hold, dB and dBm calculations. Data storage, read back. Option for USB, RS-232, possibly GPIB, LAN, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth depending on version. Physical and environmental specs. Mains powered. Supports 110 volts, 220 volts AC plus or minus 10%, 45 to 65 Hz. Working temperature, 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Storage, minus 10 to 50 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity less than 80%. Size, approximately 265 x 105 x 305 millimeters. Weight approximately 2.3 kilogram. Bullseye. Why it's valuable. High resolution, 4.5 digits, allows detecting fine differences in measurements, especially useful in component testing, calibration labs, or design work. Wide measurement ranges, very low to high, make it versatile for many tasks, from microvolt level work to high voltages. True-RMS, math functions and display speed settings provide flexibility for many types of signals and use cases. Bench mounting, solid build, allows continuous use and stable references in lab or production environments. Warning: what to be aware of. As a benchtop unit, it's not portable, it depends on AC power. AC voltage and current ranges might have frequency limits for accuracy. For example, accuracy may drop at higher AC frequencies. Always check for limitations. Warranty, service, and calibration may need to be considered depending on your location and lab requirements.